Guys, this is a quick haul for some things that I ran out and got today. And I said, you know what? I'm going to share this because I missed a couple food hauls that I wanted to share with you guys. We had to go get some stuff for the Super Bowl. We already got most of it, but we had to get more stuff. Then I had to go get some toiletry things for the house. And so I'm going to go from here. And all we have is the wipes that I tell you guys about that are so much better than Walmart and cost way less. You get 9 packs of wipes, and this is $10, so that you cannot beat. It's like basically almost $1 for one of these packs. I got 2 of these containers. One of them I already am using. Let me show you guys for my bake like cookie cutters and stuff. But I think I'm gonna take this one back because it's too long for our cabinet, and we're probably gonna go get the other ones that we saw. So, yeah, let me show you guys real quick. I put my silicone cookie pans and my cutters and my cake spatulas and different things inside here. So that's what that looks like, but I'm debating if I want to keep that. I'm just not feeling the purple. My husband's like, babe, nobody can't see it. It's not that serious, but I don't know. I might not keep it. We'll see. But they were $2.49, and the one I want is like $5, I think. We'll see. Okay, moving along, then we got the big 240 count of dryer sheets. Yeah, I know people say different things about dryer sheets, but I like them, and I like the way they make our clothes smell and get the static clean out of them. And then we got this 8-pack of Up and Up Target brand of Kleenex facial tissues, whatever you want to call it, and they compared their brand to Kleenex, and it is 8 of them. And y'all know we have to have a box of these in all our rooms, so 8 of these for $7 and some change. So that's a still of a deal. That's better than Dollar Tree's tissue because they're $1 a piece, so we'd have been paying $8, and I think, like I said, this was like $7.40 something. Then we got some Downy, like a fabric softener that I love, love, love. So we put that in our wash as well. And then we also got this from Target, which we had a gift card for some bar stools I had got. They didn't turn out good, so I had to return them. And Target ended up giving me a gift card because they were not manufactured appropriately. And there was already a delay in them shipping them here, which I wanted them here for the Super Bowl, but that didn't happen because I have to return them. And guess what? They are out of stock. They're not even in stock at the stores or even at the Target warehouse. So I got them to notify me, and the lady said they'll still honor the price because they dropped down like $20. So yeah, I just went and took those back to Target, and she gave me a gift card, and all of this stuff you see here I got with the gift card. And then they gave me back $5 because I spent $25 on toiletry and laundry stuff. So these right here we never tried. Do you guys ever try these? I'm a Scott tissue girl, and anything that says compare to Scott, I like to try it because you never know. And this is septic plus sewer safe, 24 rows. And this was I think $12. It was $12. We actually have 2 of these, but y'all know we got to throw them in the fridge. So this one is going down in the cellar, in the basement. And we already got one in the refrigerator. I took back that cantaloupe. I don't know if that other video will be before this or after this, but the vlog where we stuck in the house and shut in from the snow, I took the cantaloupe back, so hopefully this one will be a good, sweet tasting cantaloupe. I got my milk. They didn't have hubby and the kids' milk, so I got my milk. We going into Aldi's now, so we at Aldi's here. I got some steak of meat. Why? Because we could not find our shredded steak meat like usual, and I wanted to make Philly sliders for the Super Bowl, so we're going to have to do with that, okay? Cream cheese for my Philly sliders, provolone. Crab meat, because hubby want me to make some sushi for the Super Bowl. Some mozzarella for the sliders. Some queso for some dip, some meat dip I'm going to be doing. Cucumber for the sushi. And then we have some onion bagels. I love onion, garlic, everything, all of them. I love bagels. I love bagels. So then I also got these right here. I was just talking to my friend April about these and telling her that these pillows we had over a year, and they have not gotten flat from Aldi's. They're $9 a piece, and they're the signature brand. And these are the premium down alternative feel pillows. Oh my gosh. They actually look even more high end than the ones I got on my bed. But let me show you. They got the little signature on that's right here where you can see it. So if you see these are $9 at Aldi's, which is not bad because I used to get pillows from Ross when I was in South Carolina. So this is what they look like. Nice and made well. Then they have this on it. It says Huntington Home Signature. My ones I got upstairs don't have this, so they trying to make it look new and improved, okay? So I got those, and I'm going to get rid of my pillows, and I think the reason why I have so many is because I hate when they get small, so I got multiple pillows. So what I'm going to do, instead of us having 3 apiece, we're going to have 2 apiece. This one and the down one, we have one there, and then get rid of those other ones, and those be for like company and stuff like that. Or if we have to have like a sleepover and people lay on the floor, they can have those pillows. So these ones will be going on the bed, and we'll just have 2 apiece. So that's that. Oh, I got me another pineapple because all these pineapples were on sale. I hope it's bright enough for y'all can see this because it's dark outside, and I usually like to do these in the daytime. Anyways, so moving on. Then I got some sweet Hawaiian rolls that I'm going to make my sliders with. Butter them up. Oh, they be so good. They be so good. So make the sliders with that. Then moving on to Dollar Tree. I got some Ajax. I seen someone using this on one of their videos, and they said this stuff is the bomb. If you ever use this, let me know below. And how well do you like it? Or what is your favorite cleaner that gets mold, mildew, dirt, scum, whatever out your shower up? Let me know what's your fave. Now, these are the bleaches that I love. Now, they sell different types of bleaches at Aldi's, but I always try to get the awesome bleach. The awesome bleach, because you get so much more. This is a full gallon of bleach. Those other ones are not a full gallon, and they're kind of smaller. So if you have a Dollar Tree and you go get bleach from there, look out for the bigger ones. And this is a good, reliable cleaner. It really is awesome. Even the awesome in the yellow, the concentrated liquid is really good. So I got 4 of those. And then I seen these. I never seen Ajax laundry detergent. These were $1. I was tempted to buy more. Oh, this is dripping. Oh, it don't feel really thick. It feel kind of thin. I don't know. We shall see. Maybe that'll be a backup when we need something. But let me know if you guys use any one of these. I don't know. Is this a name brand or not? I don't know. If you use any one of these, let me know. And how do you like them? And if you do use them, do you use it with something else or whatever the case may be? Let your girl know that. So then, y'all know I'm always baking. Even when I put stuff in the oven to heat it up and reheat it, like I put my macaroni and cheese in there to reheat it. Like if I'm not in a rush and I'm not needing it to be heated right now, parchment paper is the way to go. You just lay it on a cookie sheet and put anything, ribs, chicken, whatever. It's better to get away from using the microwave so much, and it's also good for lining your pans when you're baking anything. So got that. Then I got this. Never used one of these before from Dollar Tree. I hope it lasts and does pretty good. I'm going to fill it up with some Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to put it in my little space in my sink. My sink is dirty, but let me show you. Just got done eating Chinese food, so it's like, our plates and everything is all over. But anywho, this is supposed to go like, I guess like right here. Like that after you're done with it to drain or whatever, or however it's supposed to go. And it's good for cups and different things that you got to get into. So we shall see how that works. So moving along, my girls needed some lead for their mechanical pencils. Rizzy and I each got a pack. And then I also got some Reynolds Wrap pre-cut pop foil sheets. And those always come in handy when you got leftovers or an odd shape something that you need to wrap up. So then I got some kitchen towels. I love these on my shoulder when I'm cooking because I want to have something to wipe my hands on while I'm cooking. You know how you cook and you get a little something on your hands, you could just wipe it on here. Then I just toss these in the the laundry and just put them back out when I'm cooking. So just some towels for the kitchen, not for the dishes, just for when I'm cooking. I love to have these on my shoulder. Then I like the way that these new bottles look, so I grabbed this bottle here, and this was this is an empty spray bottle. I don't know, it seemed like it might be pretty cool. We shall see. I have so many DIY cleaners and I'm always switching up bottles because they act up, but we shall see if those act right. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. And is there anything that I missed? I think not. If you have any questions, leave them below and make sure you thumbs up this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you stick around and become one of my revivers by subscribing to my channel. It costs you nothing to do so. It's all positive energy over here. And all we do is bring good vibes to other people's lives. And if that's what you're about, make sure you stick around. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you are notified when your girl loads up videos, because I do random videos throughout the week. It's not on a schedule, I'm going to be honest with you, but I do throw many videos up throughout the week, so I don't want you to miss them. And if you enjoyed, don't forget, if I didn't say it, thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys later, Gators.